How to run a BigQuery query in Python. This is the query that I have been running in BigQuery that I want to run in my Python script. How would I change this slash? What do I have to add for it to run in Python? From what I have been researching, it is saying that I can't save this query as a permanent table using Python. Is that true? And if it is true, is it possible to still export a temporary table?
You need to use the BigQuery Python client lib. Then something like this should get you up and running. This URL. See the current BigQuery Python client tutorial.
This is a good usage guide. This URL. To simply run and write a query.
I personally prefer querying using pandas.
Here's another way using a JSON file for the service account.